Next is question number 9. Two vehicles are moving with 80 km per hour and 90 km per hour speed respectively in opposite directions. What will be the minimum side distance required to avoid the collision if the brake efficiency is 60% for both the vehicles? Assume coefficient of friction as 0.7 and reaction time as 2.5 seconds. So let's solve this question. As we know, in this, according to the questions, two vehicles are moving in opposite direction. If one vehicle is coming from one direction, then the other vehicle will be coming from the opposite direction. So for the first vehicle, the SSD will be given by, as we know, the general formula is V into T plus V square upon 2GF. Here V into T is the distance traveled in the reaction time, and V square upon 2GF is the lag distance. This V into T will be called as braking distance. So as per the question, our given data are V is equals to, for the first vehicle, V is equals to 80 km per hour. Let's convert it into meter per second. So in meter per second it is 22.22 meter per second. I have multiplied with 5 into 18. Reaction time T is equals to 2.5 second. Acceleration due to gravity is known as 9.81 meter per second square. Coefficient of friction is 0.7 and braking efficiency is given as 60%, so we will multiply by 0.6. So F will come as 0.42. So we can put these values in the above formula and get SSD1 is equals to 115.62 meter approx. Similarly, for the vehicle second, we can calculate the SSD as, here given data all are the same, but the speed is different. It is 90 km per hour and in meter per second it comes out to be 25 meter per second. So SSD will be equal to, by putting all this data into this formula, SSD2 will comes out to be 138.51 meter. Yes, vehicle 1 is moving in this direction and vehicle 2 is moving in opposite direction, in the direction of these arrows. So to avoid collision, we have to allow vehicle 1 with SSD1 and vehicle 2 with SSD2. So minimum stopping side distance to avoid head-on collision will be equal to SSD1 plus SSD2 is equals to 115.62 plus 138.51 is equals to 254.13 meter. So let's end this video here. Thank you very much.